Noida Supertech Twin Towers razed. Recently, on the directions of the Supreme Court, Noida's famous Twin Towers, Apex, 32 floors, and Cyan, 29 floors, were blown up and demolished. This twin tower was built by Supertech. Why have the buildings been razed? In the early 2000s, real estate company Supertech Limited started a housing project named Emerald Court. After which the Noida Authority allotted land to Supertech for this project on 23 November 2004. Initially, the builder was to build 14 9-story towers under the approval of the Noida Authority. Its lease was finalized in March 2005. Later the company changed the plan and built 15 11-story towers. The plan was later revised again and the builder was allowed to build up to 40 floors in each tower. Subsequently, in 2012, residents of Supertech Emerald Court Society filed a petition in the Allahabad High Court calling the building illegal. The petitioners argued that Supertech Group violated norms to sell more flats and increase its profit margin. After which in the year 2014, the Allahabad High Court gave the right to demolish these towers at its own cost within 4 months from the date of filing the order. But by the time this order came, many flats had already been booked. The High Court had also ordered Supertech to refund the money to the flat buyers along with 14% interest. In protest against this decision, both Noida Authority and Supertech moved the Supreme Court. In August last year, while upholding the High Court's decision, the court had given 3 months to demolish the tower, but due to technical